Welcome to Hodessen, your go-to destination for all things home decor and interior design inspiration. Beat the post-holiday blues. Cozy winter decor tips for your home. Hello, everyone. The holiday season has ended, and many of us are feeling the void left behind after taking down all the festive decorations. But don't worry, your home doesn't have to feel bare or dull. In today's video, I'll show you how to keep that cozy, inviting vibe alive all winter long. Get ready for some easy, affordable, and fun decor ideas that will transform your space into a winter sanctuary. It's not uncommon to feel a little down when the holiday cheer fades. Bright lights, sparkly ornaments, and festive energy can make your home feel magical. Once they're gone, it's easy to feel like something's missing. But this is actually a great opportunity to rethink and refresh your space for the rest of the season. One of the quickest ways to make your home feel cozier is to play with lighting. Replace those bold holiday lights with warm, soft options. Think fairy lights, candles, or even dimmable lamps. Place them strategically in corners, on shelves, or around your bed for a relaxing glow. Winter is the perfect time to add layers of comfort. Bring out chunky knit blankets, fluffy throw pillows, and cozy rugs. Choose neutral or earthy tones like beige, grey, or warm browns to create a calming atmosphere. These textures don't just look cozy, they'll make you want to curl up with a hot drink in no time. Just because the holidays are over doesn't mean you can't bring nature inside. Pine cones, dried flowers, and branches are simple yet elegant additions to your decor. Pair them with wooden bowls or ceramic vases for a rustic winter touch. Designate a small space in your home as a winter retreat. This could be a reading nook, a coffee station, or even a corner with your favorite scented candles and a cozy chair. Personalize it with items that make you happy, like books, plants, or a warm blanket. A cozy home isn't just about how it looks, it's also about how it smells. Swap out your holiday candles for winter scents like vanilla, cinnamon, or cedarwood. You can also use essential oil diffusers or simmer parts to fill your space with warmth. If you love crafting, this is your moment. Create your own simple winter-themed decorations, like snowflake garlands, mason jar lanterns, or wreaths made from twigs. These little touches add personality to your space and keep you in a creative mindset. Winter decor doesn't have to be as elaborate as holiday decor. Sometimes less is more. Choose a few statement pieces, like a beautiful throw or a piece of art, and let them shine. This approach keeps your space feeling calm and uncluttered. And there you have it, simple yet impactful ways to beat the post-Christmas decor blues and make your home cozy all winter long. Whether it's lighting, textures, or scents, small changes can make a big difference. Don't forget to let me know your favorite tip in the comments below. And if you try any of these ideas, tag me on social media. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.